We are back to working on this one, the 66 double cab. It's been a while, a few months, but anyway, we are back to continuing to assemble. So that's what this episode will be. We are going to be continuing on the cab, hopefully getting the dog legs and everything pretty much on there. We're leaving the roof off because it makes it a little bit easier. And give a quick recap on where we've been, and then eventually we want to get the cab back on the chassis. So that's what this episode is going to be. So hopefully we'll make lots of progress and enjoy it. So stay tuned. Okay, so now we're going to look at this back section. Need to fill in those holes, sand it all nice, and then look down, figure out this. But I think I'm going to start by cutting this off. Don't need it anymore. It was kind of holding the back together, but now with this piece in and that, can cut that out. So this little cross member here, I made this piece new. Yeah, so that's how I'm going about fixing it. I just bent up a piece. Just need to weld it on, grind it nice, and we're good.
I'll remember everything. Cold shoulder, clothes and highly
Okay, so as you can see, this side's done. It turned out really nice. And now I'm on this side. So we have a full length panel here. And that's super helpful because this side, the whole bottom edge was missing from rust, so I didn't really have a reference. So I'll end up cutting it right around there. And then here, this corner, I made this piece. It's gonna go in there. It fits quite nice. And then this piece goes right here. And yeah, this makes it so it's the same height as this one. And yeah, so it's time to weld these two pieces on, and then work on the B-pillar. I think that has to be fixed before putting that piece on. So let's get to it.
I mean, visually it doesn't look far off.
No. Yeah, the floor has to go in between here.
Yep.
Yeah, it's gonna be up there. I know once the cab is like in the final place, this whole front area will go really fast.
Yeah.
Like it's all stuff I've done many times.
Yep. But probably before you lock down these back corners, do you want to have the floor in place?
Yeah,
Right?
it does, yeah.
Probably would make sense.
Yeah, for sure it does. Okay. I was kind of thinking of just kind of test fit it, but I don't really want to take it
off again.
Okay. So this is where we're going to finish this episode off. Fitting the floors. You see all that work on those, I guess that would be the D pillar, C pillar maybe. Floor is almost ready to get spot welded in, just a big jigsaw puzzle. And the floor goes underneath that. You saw how they were fighting with that. We have this quarter panel is fitted. And I think next what he's going to do is start getting the dog legs fitted. You can see it's sitting in there nicely. Needs to be spot welded on, obviously. Nothing's finished welded yet. Lots of measurements to take. Make sure everything lines up. Gaps, door gaps. Missing obviously a dog leg. But you can see it's going to be fantastic. A lot of fighting. And eventually, it's not going to stay convertible forever, but again, that gives us just a little bit easier to work with when a little more room. But we will have that ready to go. And that will conclude this episode. Again, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll continue on with our 66 double cab. Hopefully next episode we launch will be this one, and then number 6 or 7 will be hopefully shortly thereafter. But please, thanks for the support, and keep on watching. Thank you.